Hi, it's Matt from 4x4 Accessories and Tyres over in the UK. Just wanted to introduce you to another set of Ranger lights that we've currently got on offer. Slightly different design on this. As you will see the previous video, what we've done, we've had a smoked rear lens, but for those of you who are not keen on that design, we've got a clear lens here, just gives it a little bit something different. What we'll do now is we'll run through the functionality and show you what this design's like. So what we'll do, we'll start with the side lights. Again, you can see this nice design here, both sides glowing red LEDs. What we'll do from there is we'll move on to we'll put our four-way flashes on, really bright LED. Again, as you can see, both sides. One key function that again you will see from the other video is that we've seen a lot of lights out there that do not have rear fog light functionality. Now, I probably don't need to tell you, but what that means is if it doesn't have a rear fog light, it will not pass an MOT in this country, so they aren't road legal. All of our rear LED rear lights do have that function. So as you can see, fog light on there, LED nice and bright. Other functionality as well, we've gone for the LED reverse light that should come over on this side. Really, really bright. You do get some normal standard non-LED lights, do have a very, very dull halogen bulb, but that's great in the dark, helps you reversing, helps you see. These are fully available on our website, full description on there. If you need any more details that you can't find on there, then please just give us a call.